Go and get your sticky notes because today we're going to develop those even further. Today on day 8 of the Fly Lady 31 Baby Step Challenge, we're going to write our routines. So far, we have been shining our sinks every single night. We have been dressing to shoes every single morning. We have been saying kind words to one another at least twice a day. We have been eliminating our hot spots for 2 minutes a day. And now we have been picking out our clothes the night before. So we're going to take all of those and write them out into some easy to follow routines. This is developing our control journal even further, which stay tuned because that is a super fun challenge and it is coming very soon to the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge. I've included a printable that you can download below, or you can simply grab a sheet of paper and do it yourself. And the fun twist is that remember that special sticky note we wrote with our special message to ourselves? We're going to add that message into our routine sheets as well so that we will be able to remember it every single day. The sticky notes are useful, but I don't know about you, I tend to get stressed out with visual clutter. So now that we have the beginnings of our control journal, I'm super excited to see you tomorrow on day 9 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge. But in the meantime, check out this video here where I dive into some of the Proverbs 31 wisdom. And I'll see you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.